Hello and welcome to the unboxing of the RSC Power Plus Warp Dash charging cable. This is a Type-C charging cable. We don't have a lot of information outside this, so let's open this box and show you what's inside. So this is it. This is what you find inside the box. This is a warranty card from RSC Power Plus. You should not lose this. And this is the warp data charge cable in question. So on one end you have a USB-A connector which comes with this protective case as well, this protective cap. This is a nice addition. And on the other end, this is the Type-C connector. There you can see this is a Type-C connector. So basically USB-A on one end and Type-C on the other. And this is about, how long is this? This is about a meter long, so 100 centimeters in length. This particular cable can be used not only for charging any kind of device that has a USB-C type port, but can be used for transferring data, say from a smartphone as well. This is what you find inside the box containing the RSC Power Plus Warp Dash charging data cable. Thank you for watching. Sorry about that. Please have patience with me.